Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need the latest Snapchat, and on some phones, System Dark Mode enabled. This speeds the process. First, open Snapchat and tap your profile icon in the top left. Once done, tap the gear icon to open settings and scroll toward Appearance or Display options. If you don't see Appearance yet, make sure your app updated and restart Snapchat. That often reveals the toggle. Now you've reached the settings area and you're ready to change theme options. You're now in Settings. Look for Appearance or Theme. Tap it and choose Dark to force Snapchat into dark mode. Alternatively, select Match System to follow your phone's dark setting. Once you pick dark, Snapchat applies the colors to chats, profiles, and camera UI to reduce glare and save battery on OLED screens. If the change seems partial, force close the app and reopen it. This ensures all UI elements reload with the new color scheme. Make sure your OS doesn't override app preferences. Finish by scanning key screens, chats, camera, and your profile to confirm full dark mode. If some panels remain light, clear Snapchat's cache and settings to force a resource's refresh. Once cleared, reopen the app and verify. If problems persist, uninstall and reinstall the app. This resets any corrupted UI files. Quick troubleshooting tip. If Appearance is missing, toggle your phone's dark mode on and off, then reopen Snapchat. That often triggers the app to surface the theme option again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.